Well, hey guys, what's going on? And welcome back to the cabin. Not a bad day here, temperature-wise. It's about 68 degrees. That's about 20 degrees Celsius. And man, man, is it humid. I got up and I thought it'd be a good morning to get some chores done. The sun's not out. It's kind of overcast, but as soon as I started to work, the sweat just poured out of me. I said, it is really sticky. We definitely need some rain here, big time. So in the last video, you know that I ran out of water. My hand pump stopped working, so I had to order a part for it, which I have. So hopefully today we can get some water going. So that's what we're going to work on now. I've been really hoping for rain. We had a few showers, but it didn't amount to anything. It's still really, really dry. And my rain barrel is still empty. Just a little bit of water at the bottom, which doesn't look very good. I think I'll dump that out. And hopefully today we can get that well pumping some water. All right, let's get this thing working. So here's the part from last time. You can see that piece of leather is not in good shape, and it sits right there. And I guess that provides a seal and allows the pump to hold a prime and pump some water. And I have a new one right here, so you can see the difference already before I take it out of the package. And of course it has the now how could a piece of leather cause cancer? Only in California, I guess. All right, it's open. Good. All right. Yep. Okay, so I just got to take this piece off and put this on here and put that on the pump, and it should be good to go with a prime. Yeah. Of course. Okay. Oops. So much for that. Oh well. Oh, you stuff. Okay, let's try this again. Good old vice grips to the rescue. Take that. There we go. Well, now we just have to prime it. All right, well, anyways, what I'm guessing, I've replaced that leather, but there's a leather cup in here. Because I can see the water in there. It wants to pump water, but it can't. So I just wanted to show you this. This is the plunger goes inside of this pump like this, right? And this piece of leather here is what creates the suction. So when you pull on the handle, it pulls this up and it sucks the water up and it comes out the spout. But as you can see, this piece of leather here is also well worn, not in good shape, and it doesn't create a good seal inside of the pump. And because it couldn't get the seal, it can't pump the water up and out. I will find one of these. I will get one of these. I'm going to check Amazon again right now. All right, well, we may as well take a look at the garden while we're here. I told my garden bestie I would show her my garden. I have a garden bestie, and she lives in Iowa. So Carrie, this is my garden. So this is my tomato plant. It was a dilapidated little thing when I planted it. I didn't think it would live, but man, did it ever take off. Looking good. And a cucumber. Yeah. Well, these were my carrots. I planted them twice. I have no idea why they won't grow. I think the soil's okay. I mean, it's not, you know, a lot of clay in it or anything. It's nice loose soil, but those carrots will not take off. Any ideas as to why my carrots won't grow? I'm all ears. I think it's because of the hot weather, and it is really dry, and because they're you know, when you plant the seeds, it's only a 1/4 inch depth, so I'm pretty sure they dry out pretty fast. That's what I think anyways. You know, I don't have much of a green thumb. I'm more of a meat eater, but if anybody, I'm sure lots of people know a lot more about gardens than I do, so drop me some information if you think you know why my carrots won't take off. Of course, and then there's my potatoes, which are, well, I never have any problem growing potatoes here. I am in potato country after all. And they grow well. Onions coming good. A couple of beans. Another cucumber. Some more cucumber and onions. Another bean starting to come up. I put a few more carrots here too, but nothing. Another onion. So that's my garden. I usually just plant the basics. I like some tomatoes and cucumbers. I like a few potatoes and carrots and green beans, a few onions. I don't really plant much more than that. Again, I'm not a big not a big vegetable eater, but I probably should eat more of them, I guess. Anyway, yeah, drop me some comments. Let me know how your garden's coming this year, and what the weather conditions are like, where you're at, if it's affecting your garden at all. Drop me some comments below. I like reading those things. All right, guys, it's too hot to do anything else today. I'm going to end the video here. Probably a short video, but that's all right. I am going to have this video posted for hopefully on Friday, which would be the 3rd of July. So I just wanted to take a minute to wish everybody a happy 4th of July weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Be safe, have a lot of fun. And to my Canadian viewers, happy Canada Day. Enjoy your day as well. And hopefully next time you come back, I will have the correct parts for the well, and I can get that thing pumping, and we can have some water here. All right, guys, that's it for now. Drop me some comments below. Let me know what's going on. And I'm out of here. Jeez, the flies are picking up bad. All right, we'll see you guys real soon back here at the cabin.